Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Virtual private server, that is VPS, is a powerful step up from sharing hosting, offering more control, better performance, and enhanced security for your website or application. Hostinger's VPS plans are popular for their affordability and user-friendly hPanel, which simplifies many of the complex tasks associated with VPS management. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to quickly set up a Hostinger VPS, ensuring a fast and reliable hosting environment. Let's start with the first step, that is purchase and access your VPS. You'll need to choose a plan right in here in the website. Hostinger offers several KVM-based VPS plans. The right choice depends on your needs. For a single blog or small website, the entry-level plan is often sufficient. For a high-traffic e-commerce site or multiple websites, a higher tier plan with more CPU and RAM is recommended. Now, you'll need to also complete the purchase. After selecting your plan, complete the payment and navigate to your hPanel dashboard. You'll need the initial setup. In the hPanel, you'll be prompted to set up your VPS. This involves choosing an operating system. Hostinger provides several templates for beginners. An OS with a pre-installed control panel like CyberPanel, cPanel, or Plesk is a great choice as it provides a graphical interface and eliminates the need to rely solely on the command line. You'll also need to set a root password. Create a strong, unique password for the root user. Step 2 is to connect to your VPS. You have two primary options for connecting to and managing your VPS. You need browser terminal. Hostinger provides a built-in browser-based terminal in hPanel. This is the simplest method for beginners as it doesn't require any extra software. Go to your VPS dashboard and click on terminal to log in as the root user. You'll also need SSH client. For a more secure and robust connection, you can use a secure shell, that is SSH client. On Windows, use a program like PuTTY, this one. On macOS or Linux, use the built-in terminal. You'll need your server's IP address, your username, that is root, and your root password to establish the connection. Step 3 is now secure your VPS. This is crucial for beginners. Security is your responsibility with an unmatched VPS. You'll need to first update your system right in here. This is the first thing you should do after logging in. For an Ubuntu or Debian OS, run this command as you can just see right here. For an Alma Linux / CentOS or OS, run $sudo dnf update. Now also create a non-root user. Operating as the root user can be dangerous. Create a new user with sudo, that is super user privileges for day-to-day tasks. This prevents you from accidentally running a command that could damage your system. Also, configure a firewall. Hostinger's hPanel offers a managed firewall. This is an easy way to protect your server. Step 4 is to now install a control panel, which is actually recommended for you beginners. If you didn't choose an OS template with a pre-installed panel, installing one is highly recommended. A control panel like CyberPanel or Plesk provides a user-friendly graphical interface to manage websites, databases, emails, and more. You'll need to in here install CyberPanel, one of the most popular choices. You can often find a script provided by the control panel's website to automate the installation process, and you should be done with that process. Step 5 is now to deploy your website. Once your server is set up and secured, you can host your website. In here, you need to point your domain. In your domain provider's DNS settings, create two new A records that point to your VPS IP address, one for art and one for www. Upload your website files as well. Use an FTP client or the file manager in your control panel to upload your website's files to the server's root directory, that is eg/public HTML. Also, install SSL. Hostinger often provides a free SSL certificate that can be easily installed via your control panel to secure your website. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.